Hey everyone, yasas que kalos to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my spinach and feta pasta. If you love spinach, which is the classic Greek spinach and rice pilaf, this is going to have similar flavors in it. It comes together in like under 20 minutes. It's perfect as a side dish, or you can serve it as a main course with pasta, lots of luscious spinach and feta cheese, lemon juice. It's bright, delicious, and easy to make. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to begin by finely chopping either a small onion or half of a large onion. You can save the other half for another recipe in the fridge. It'll keep fresh. So get the onion in the pot with some olive oil and cook it until it's nice and soft and slightly golden. That takes about 8 minutes over medium heat. In the meantime, get a big pot of water boiling so that way the pasta is ready to go, because this recipe does move fairly quickly. Once the onion is ready, go in and add the garlic. So 5 to 6 garlic cloves. I usually have grated garlic in the freezer, so I'll just put it in here, warm it through until it's nice and fragrant, and then it's time to go in with the spinach. So you can do 1 pound of spinach or 2 pounds of spinach. For the amount of pasta that I put, which is a little bit over half a pound, I should have done 2 pounds of spinach. This tastes better with more spinach, but this is all I had. So put the baby spinach leaves in here, season them with a little bit of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. It looks like a lot fills up the pot, but once they wilt down and they're cooked, it's gonna be about a quarter of this mass. So once the spinach is ready, you can turn the heat off and let the pasta cook in the other pot. You can use your favorite pasta for this. I love these small shells because they kind of hold the spinach in there too and the feta, but you can use your favorite pasta, and this really doesn't matter. Cook it according to the package's instructions with lots of salt. And then once it's al dente, transfer the pasta by lifting it with a big spider strainer and put it into the spinach mixture. I also like to take a little bit of that pasta water and put it in there. At this point, you can season it with salt, some dill. Dry dill is good. If you have fresh dill, that's even better. A little bit of black pepper or crushed red pepper flakes is what I prefer for this. And then a little splash of lemon juice. Just the juice of half a lemon is fine. And then at this point, I like to go in with lots of feta cheese. So crumble that feta cheese in there. And then we can make it even better with more cheese. So you can add kefalograviera to this if you have that Greek Gruyere cheese, or you can do Parmesan cheese that's shredded. As much as your heart desires, you could leave it out if you like and just add in some more feta cheese. Mix this all up and give it a taste and see if it needs a little bit more seasoning. But that's it. It is ready to serve. And just like that, dinner is going to be on the table in no time. You don't have to order food from outside, waste money, and eat things that are unhealthy when you can make things with love in your own kitchen. So easy to make and very basic and simple ingredients. You can dress this up a little more if you want to add some shredded chicken to it. You could serve this with fish. It goes with everything. Let's do the taste test. So good, just delicious. You can taste the garlic in there, the lemon. I love the red pepper flakes in there because it does give it a little kick of heat. I think you guys are gonna love this one. You can head on over to the website, dimitrasdishes.com, to print this recipe out. If you wanna learn how to make classic Greek spinach, click over here, and I'll see you right over there. Yasas.